girls. You're probably hungry, huh, Crook? Yeah. Okay. Little pipsqueak. All right, Nelly, good girl. Yeah. Hey, folks. Tracy here, and I'm finishing up our day where we do a little more sprinting, high intensity stuff, jump rope. I do a lap around the block to warm up. It's kind of like 2 blocks by 1 block, and like a 3-minute jog, and then 2 sets of 100 jump ropes and another one of 50. And I just completed 4 sprints going all the way to the end. Right. You're wanting to go for the walk. Don's already finished with his. He's gardening. Good time of day to get out and garden. Actually, what I wanted to share was that when I first got up this morning, we had been woken up several times because of cats crying, wanting in, wanting out. And that disrupted my sleep. Then I had a bad dream, kind of a recurring one that I haven't had in a while, thankfully, which though just kind of left me feeling a little disturbed. And then, because I always think if I have a bad dream, what is lurking about my subconscious that I need to deal with, or what did I eat that will affect my sleep and my dream quality. Both those things matter. But it's really being a Vata dosha, which is basically associated with the elements of air and ether. More air, more wind exacerbates the negative attributes of the Vata nature. So it really sets off a lot of symptoms, twitchiness, anxiety, whatever, dryness. And I have had an ongoing eye issue, which I think I traced it back to one of the cats frantically running across the bed and one of the paws landing on my eye. But it was just a delayed reaction, so that was over a week ago, and I've had this for going on a week now. It's puffy, irritated. It's always crusty, tearing, non-stop tearing, but itchy. Got a lot of itchiness too. So anyway, what am I trying to say is my mind had parts of my mind, my ego parts had a lot of like resistance to going out to do this. But I knew better not to let my mind, my ego parts, have their way with me. And in fact, the best way to overcome some of the inertia, or even fight through challenges or even bad dreams, is to really push it out. Build up some fire, run some sprints, do some jump rope. You can at least jump rope. And kick it out. Don't let the battle of the mind, it's a battle for your mind. Don't let it win. Don't let your thoughts take over. Don't let the ego's desire to stay comfortable, avoid pain, and do things as efficiently as possible take over with all the other parts that were created throughout your life to help you cope with different situations, whether it was going into complete numb, the freeze part of fight, flight, or freeze to numb your feelings so you couldn't feel the pain, or, the good girl, the perfectionist, the hard worker, the bully, whatever parts, the martyr, the victim, you got to fight through it because they're not the real you. And if you really want to be free, you got to exercise your spirit over your matter. So that's my message for today. You got some stuff going on? In the very least, put some music on and just dance and shake it off. Shake it off. Don't buy into the fear, the guilt, the victimhood, the martyr, the self-pity party. None of it. Don't point your finger at other people and what's going on in the world, politically or otherwise, as a cause of your suffering, because only you allow it. We are all responsible for our own selves. And as we tend to our own selves and uplift and move into more of a heart space, then everything around us will change, because that will all mirror. It's a reflection of what's going on inwardly from a collective point of view. So anyway, that's my this is for today. Have a great day. Now to finish off my little outdoor training. Woohoo! My reward. Get to hang upside down, let the blood come back to my head.
Are you gonna join me?